Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how AI creates images. The process of AI creating images called diffusion models. So let's see what's a diffusion model and how the AI create an image. So on this screen here, you're going to see how AI creates model. The AI creates model by starting with noise, then less noise, then even less noise, then clear image. So how does it work? When you put a prompt to create an image, so what the AI does, first of all, you're going to see that a lot of noise on the screen. And then you're going to notice that this noise, it will get less and less and less and less until you see your final image. This process here, this is called diffusion models work. So let's see an example, a real life example. So the first example here, I'm going to say a very short prompt, create an image of a beautiful place in California, and let's see how does it gonna work. You can see here on the screen, this is the noise. Look, it's 100% noise. Then less noise. And you can see here creating the image, and the model start working with the creating the image based on whatever prompt you give the AI. So let's try another prompt with more detail. In this prompt, we're going to say, create a realistic image of a coastal town in California at a sunset with palm trees, ocean view, warm lighting, and peaceful atmosphere. And let's see what the AI will give me. You can see here the first thinking and then creating the image. This is the noise. And then you're going to see less noise, and developing. And look here, creating the image, golden sunset over California coastline. And because you give this information and you give a better prompt than the first one, and all of a sudden, look, that's what you got. So the first one, it's a very generic. The second one is very specific. So what happened in the noise process? The AI will take your prompt and search all the available information about an image related to your prompt. And then it will go more into your prompt and process the image and make it clear. And then go more into your prompt and clear the vision. And then more and clear until 100% the image get created and you have a clear image. Then once you have a clear image, then you can take the same image and you upload it again into the AI and you say, well, you are showing so many people in this image, please reduce the number of people. You are showing kids playing and jumping, please make sure. Another thing, remember that AI doesn't give you exactly the right information all the time. So make sure to review. If you have any text, you make sure you review it, because sometimes, even like I'm using a recent model, sometimes I look at the text and I say, oh, this is a misspelling. I don't actually correct the misspelling to the AI. I upload the image again and I say, please go over the text and make sure review the text and correct any misspelling. So the AI automatically will go into the same image and will correct, or go into the same text and correct it. So I hope that this video was useful. If this video is useful, and if this course is useful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. And see you in the next video. And thank you so much for watching.